So in this video, I'm gonna show a few steps on how I made this custom gift box, and I'm making it out of mahogany, African mahogany. And you see the blue tape on it. It's because the whole thing wraparound is grain matched, so I know which piece goes where. So when it's finished and you're looking at it from a side view, it shows the grain exactly matching all around. And I'm gluing it up here, and quickly I'm actually sanding it up a little bit before I cut the actual box. This is a solid box, and you will see me putting some blue tape on it to prevent any kind of blowout. And I'm going to put it on the saw, and I'm going to cut the lid. And you will see me cutting. So you see me cutting this box here. I'm doing the short side, and then I'm going to do a long side and then a short side again. And the reason being is because it's more stable when you make the final cut. It's a little more stable when it's not so tall. Then I continue, just sand up the edges and sand the inside of the box, and I take it to the spray booth and do the first coat, second coat on the top. I'm spraying a Crystal Doll post-catalyzed conversion varnish here, which is a pretty good product, and it's a dull sheen. It's not high gloss. And I already sprayed at this point the inside of it. So this usually takes about 20 minutes to dry, and I'm doing a little speed drill hill. And here you can see I forgot to video putting these little corner protectors in there and the little lock, and I also laser engraved the top of it, and you could see that it's got a leather insert with all kinds of wood chips, and that's the logo. It was a client gift.